Can you believe it? 2024 is almost over, and 2025 is just around the corner. It's time to celebrate and send some love to your favorite people, whether it's your best friend, mom, dad, or even your customers if you run a business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create awesome digital greetings in just 10 minutes. Like a cute card for your bestie, like this I made. A sweet message for your mom or your brother. A cool Instagram post for your business. Or even a quick, fun video for yourself, because why not? I'll share the AI tools I used and the prompts to make it super easy. So, stick around till the end, and let's make this New Year celebration extra special, all with just a little creativity and tech. Alright, let's start with making the greeting cards. To create these, we'll use two amazing AI tools. The first one is Bing AI Image Generator, which lets you turn text into stunning images. I've already crafted the perfect prompt for this, so you don't even need to go to ChatGPT or figure it out yourself. I've got you covered. You can simply download the file with all the prompts from the video description. Just replace the name and add your special message, and you're good to go. Now, let's get started. Open your browser and search for Bing AI Image Creator. Once you find it, log in. It's a free tool from Microsoft. Next, take the prompt I prepared for you, linked in the video description, copy it, and paste it into the tool. Then, hit the Create button and wait for the magic to happen. Bing AI will generate 4 cards for us to review. Let's check them out one by one. The first one? The text looks a bit jumbled, like new word or something unreadable. The second one? Still not great. The third one? Oh no, it's actually worse than the last. Finally, the fourth one? It looks okay, but the message repeats twice, and even the name isn't correct. So, honestly, I didn't like any of these. But don't worry, sometimes Bing AI does create good results. I've tested it before, so it's worth a try. If it doesn't work out for you, no problem. Let's move on to another tool, Leonardo AI, one of the best image generators out there. It's known for making amazing visuals. To use it, open your browser and search for Leonardo AI. Click the link, connect with your Google account, and you're in. Let me show you how it works. Alright, once you log into Leonardo AI, you might see some welcome pop-ups. If it's your first time, just cancel those, and let's get started. Now, Leonardo AI has lots of cool features, but what we need right now is the text-to-image generator. Click on it to get started. You might also see some guiding pop-up messages. Feel free to close those as well. Here's how to set everything up. The prompt box, this is where you'll write the prompt to generate your image. On the left side, first, choose the generation mode. It's set to fast by default, which is perfect since we're using the free version. Paid users can switch to quality or ultra, but we don't need that right now. Next, pick the image dimensions. You can select Instagram size, mobile size, or even create your own custom size by clicking More. For now, let's go with mobile size. Number of images, by default, it generates 4 images, which is fine, so we'll leave that as is. Finally, there's a private mode toggle. If you're using a free account, by default it is on. This just means others on the app can see your images you generated. Now let's create a card. Copy a prompt like this. Special Happy New Year greeting for your best friend. Paste it into the prompt box, change the name to your friend's name, and add your own message. Then, hit generate and wait a few moments. Once it's done, let's review the results. The first image looks good, but the word happy at the top isn't clear, and some words are repeated. The second one is better, but the word happy is still messed up. The third one? It's looking nice, we could use this. The last one also looks nice, but the bold New Year text isn't right. Not quite there? No worries. Sometimes you just need to generate again for better results. Let's give it another try. Wait for it. Alright, here we go. The first one is super clear, all the words are correct. I think we can use this one. The second one? Wow, it's also great. The third one? Not bad at all. And the last one? Wow, it's perfect, clear text and no repetition. Once you find the perfect image, download it and send it to your friend. It's that simple to create a beautiful New Year greeting. Now let's make a special New Year card for your mom. Moms are the heart of every family, and I bet she's the one person we all want to see smile. So, let's do something that'll brighten her day. First, update the message in the prompt to make it all about her. Add something sweet and personal for your mom. If the card's color is pink, but you think she'd love blue, go ahead and switch it to blue. Once everything looks good, hit the generate button and wait a moment. Now, let's check out what we got. The first design is beautiful, but it's missing the word mom, which would make it extra special. The second one? Looks nice, but feels a bit too similar to the first. The third one? Wow, I really like this one. The message is clear, and it's almost perfect. And the last one? It's nice, but the word mom is repeating, which isn't ideal. Let's try generating again. Sometimes a second round gets you exactly what you want. Quick tip, Leonardo AI gives you 150 free credits per day, and each generation uses up 24 credits, so plan accordingly. Alright, let's see the new designs. The first one? Better, but not quite there. The second? Still not quite what we need. The third? Getting closer. And the last one? Perfect. Everything is clear, the design looks amazing, and it's exactly what we wanted. Once you find the one you love, hit the download button and save it. And if you want to make a card for your dad, just switch out the word mom for dad, update the message, and repeat the steps. Simple, right? Let's get those New Year smiles going. Alright, now let's create a New Year greeting design for a business. Every business needs to send warm wishes to its customers, and what better way than with a beautifully designed card? Here's how to do it. Start by copying the prompt I've already prepared for you. Paste it into the prompt box and update it with the business name. Don't forget to personalize the message to make it more meaningful. Now, here's the crucial part, brand colors. Every business has its own unique colors, right? For example, the business I'm using as an example has blue, green, and white as its brand colors. So, update the colors in the prompt to match your business's branding. Once everything looks perfect, hit the generate button and wait for the magic to happen. Here's what it generated. All of them look great, but I decided to go with the last one. It's clean, eye-catching, and perfectly matches the brand's vibe. Simple and effective, right? Now it's your turn to create something amazing for your business. Now, let's try something new with this image generator. If you need an image with personalized text, here's what to do. Copy the prompt I've already prepared for you. Paste it into the prompt box. Customize it. Change the name to the one you want. Adjust the gender if you'd like the image to feature a girl or boy. Update the message to make it personal and meaningful. This time, instead of using the classic mode like before, switch to the flow state mode. It's a newer version that generates even more options for you to choose from. After pasting the prompt and making your changes, hit the generate button and let it work its magic. When it's done, you'll have several pictures to review. Take your time, pick the one you love the most, and download it. That's all there is to it, quick, easy, and creative. Alright, it's time to create a short video. For this, we'll be using Hailuo AI, one of the best video generators out there. Here's what you need to do. Search for Hailuo AI on Google and click the link to access the site. Log in using your Google account, and you're all set to start. On the left side, click on Create. You'll have two options, text to video and image to video. We'll start with text to video. Copy the prompt I've already prepared and paste it into the text box. Make any changes you want to personalize it. You can choose the quantity of videos you want. By default, it's set to 1, which works fine for us. Click the pink button to generate the video. It will take a few minutes, so just wait while it processes. Remember, Hailuo AI gives you 1,100 free credits, and each video generation costs 30 credits, so keep track of your credits. The video is ready, let's check out the result. Wow, it's amazing. The most important parts of this video are the text and the celebration vibe, and both turned out great. I'm really impressed with how it looks. If you love it as much as I do, simply click the download button and save it. It's that easy. Now, let's move on to the second option, image to video. Copy the prompt I prepared for you. I put a lot of effort into crafting this, but please note that it may not always work perfectly on the first try. If that happens, just give it another shot. Upload the image. This is an AI-generated image I'm using just to show you how it works. Paste the prompt and hit the pink generate button. Then, just sit back and wait for the video to be generated. The video is ready, let's take a look. Wow! I think this video is really great, it's definitely good enough to use as a Happy New Year celebration video. If you like it, just click the download button and you're done. That's it. Let's test another one, following the same steps we did earlier. Now, let's check the result. It looks good, but the year is incorrect. When I tested this prompt before, it worked perfectly, as you can see here. But it seems like it's not working this time. Don't worry, though, if you try again, it should work as expected. Now, let's create a special video for your friend. Copy the friend video prompt and paste it in the prompt section. Upload your friend's picture. Hit the pink generate button and wait a moment. Once the video is ready, let's take a look. Wow, it worked out really well. The video looks amazing, and I love it. If you like it too, just hit the download button, and you're all set. And that's it. I hope you can now create all your Happy New Year greeting videos, cards, and posts in just minutes using AI. I'll be putting all the links to the AI tools I used, along with the prompt files, in the video description. It took me over 20 hours to make this video, so if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and Happy New Year!